If the lesser of two consecutive even integers is tripled, the result is 20 more than twice the greater integer. Find the two integers. So we begin this by letting n equal the lesser of the two consecutive even integers. And that means n plus 2 would be equal to the greater of the two consecutive even integers. It tells us that if the lesser is tripled, so this one is tripled, 3n, the result is, that is our equals. 20 more than means we're going to add 20, and we add it to twice the greater. So 2 times the greater. And then we add the 20 for the more than. To solve this, we begin by distributing the 2. So 3n is going to be equal to 2n plus 4. And then we have the plus 20. Add together the 4 and 20. We have 3n is equal to 2n plus 24. Now subtract 2n from each side, and we get n is equal to 24. Remember, n represents the lesser of the two integers. So n plus 2 would be the greater. 24 plus 2 is 26. And the two integers are 24, 26.